In a groundbreaking move, Google has announced the launch of its Gemini feature in Chrome for all desktop users in the United States, specifically targeting those on Mac and Windows platforms. This rollout comes after a period where access was restricted to subscribers of Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. But here's where it gets intriguing. Google is not stopping there. The tech giant has plans to introduce agentic browsing capabilities, which will enhance the user experience by integrating AI mode search directly into the address bar. This means users can expect a suite of new features, including advanced Gemini functionalities, tools to combat AI-generated scams, automatic password resets, and much more. For users in the US who have set their language to English, the Gemini icon, located in the upper right corner of the Chrome window, now allows them to seek clarification on complex information found on any web page. Imagine you're browsing a recipe for banana bread. You can simply ask Gemini to modify the recipe to be gluten-free, making it easier to adapt to dietary needs. One of the standout features of Gemini is its ability to operate across multiple tabs. This functionality enables users to efficiently compare and summarize information from various websites. For instance, if you're in the midst of planning a vacation, you can have Gemini assist you in organizing details about flights, hotels, and activities all at once. Alternatively, if you're shopping for a new mattress, Gemini can help you compare different models across several tabs, streamlining your decision-making process. Looking ahead, Gemini will soon have the capability to retrieve previously visited web pages, simplifying the process of returning to past browsing sessions without the hassle of digging through your browser history. This means you could easily ask, "Where did I see that walnut desk last week?" Or, "What was the blog I read about back-to-school shopping?" A feature that promises to enhance user convenience significantly. Moreover, Google is enhancing the integration of Gemini with other Google applications, such as Calendar, YouTube, and Maps. This deeper connection will allow users to perform tasks like scheduling meetings or checking location details without needing to navigate away from their current page. For example, if you're watching a YouTube video and want to find a specific moment, you can simply ask Gemini to take you there. In addition to these features, Google has indicated that Gemini will be capable of handling mundane tasks, such as booking a haircut or ordering groceries on a weekly basis. The AI will navigate to the relevant site, add items to your cart, and allow you to finalize the purchase with your preferred payment method. The introduction of these agentic capabilities is expected to roll out in the coming months. It's interesting to note that earlier this year, OpenAI launched its own AI agent, Operator, which autonomously performs tasks, setting the stage for a competitive landscape in AI-driven assistance. In another exciting development, Google is integrating AI mode, an advanced search feature, directly into the Chrome address bar. With this feature, users can pose complex questions and follow-up inquiries to delve deeper into topics. For instance, instead of simply searching for best mattress, you could type, "As a side sleeper with occasional lower back pain, can you create a table comparing different mattress types?" This allows for a more interactive and thorough search experience, enabling users to ask follow-up questions like, "What is the typical lifespan of memory foam mattresses?" This update is set to be released later this month in English for US users, with plans to expand to additional countries and languages in the future. Additionally, users will soon be able to ask questions related to the content of the page they are currently viewing. Chrome will suggest relevant questions based on the context, helping to kickstart your search in the address bar. Google promises that users will receive a helpful AI overview and the option to ask follow-up questions while using AI mode. Furthermore, Google is leveraging its Gemini Nano model to identify and protect against scams, such as fake virus alerts and fraudulent giveaways. These scams often mimic trusted brands and utilize generative AI to create convincing phishing attempts, making this feature particularly timely and necessary. Lastly, Google has announced that it will use AI to assist users in fixing compromised passwords with just a single click on supported sites like Coursera, Spotify, Duolingo, and HM. If Chrome alerts you that your password has been exposed in a data breach, you can allow it to generate and save a new password for you, enhancing your online security. Aisha, a consumer news reporter at TechCrunch, has been covering these developments. Before joining TechCrunch in 2021, she reported on telecommunications at Mobile Syrup. Aisha holds an honors bachelor's degree from the University of Toronto and a master's degree in journalism from Western University. If you have thoughts or questions about these new features, feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. Do you think these advancements will genuinely enhance your browsing experience, or do you have concerns about privacy and security? Let's discuss.